So hello everyone. So previously we are discussing about the M365 different type of groups and the feature of the groups and where we can use these groups. So now we are going to the discuss about some more options in the teams and group. So we in the second option is the policies. So basically policies, it give you the idea of the teams policies which is predefined by the Microsoft, or if your organization requires some advanced or extra level of policy for the teams application, so you can get it over here. Okay, so creating this policy and modify this policy, you have to move to teams administrator. So if I go down, I have the option, this is the teams administrator, that you can use it for modifying the policies. Okay, also there is a option that once you have click on it, you can just click on edit option and you can also change the policy from there. But this is the some limit of the policy, like creating some limited policy over here, but some required to advanced level of policy that you want to put it, or you want to create it, you have to go to the teams administrator. So deleted group, if I deleted some teams group or teams or group, so I can restore my group from my deleted folder. So deleted folder, it keep as around 30 days as per the Microsoft standard policy for the Indian governance. Okay, so you can restore it once you just click on it and restore the group. Okay, the fourth one is the shared mailbox. So basically, why the shared mailbox? Okay, so for example, if you want that kind of something like um, look like a mailbox, but you don't require or you don't want to put some license on it. Okay, and you want that uh, for example, if I have the support team, okay, and support team, you have a portal for support. What you want that if somebody is raised the ticket, so the member of the share the group will automatically notified, it will never move or reside the mail on their primary mailbox. What they did, they will create a separate group, okay, or separate mailbox in your primary mailbox. So okay, so how it is, so if I go to, for example, if I'm going to the Outlook, how it's look like, I give you the idea that how it works, the shared mailbox. So for example, like for example, I in my primary mailbox, I have the inbox, I have the draft, I have the sent item. So these are my primary mailbox, the folders which is already predefined. Okay, so similar kind of things, that if somebody is adding you as in a shared mailbox, so it will automatically reflect the shared mailbox in your below directories. Okay, so below folder, so what we can see, you can see of that shared folder: inbox, sent item, the deleted items, everything is look like look like it's acting as a fully mailbox. So what you can do, you can use for the sharing a mail from that shared mailbox, or receiving the mail from the mailbox. So why the shared mailbox? Because it's give you the separate mailbox in your primary or in your Outlook, so you can easily manage it and your team can easily manage the separate mails of shared mailbox. So how you can create a shared mailbox? You just click on the add options, type of the shared mailbox. I am putting the shared. Okay, shared red shared mailbox. I'm putting the name of this shared mailbox thing, and here you, what you can do, you can create a shared mailbox domain name, the separate mail id. So if you are putting this mail id in your portal or in your, for example, any of the website, so if somebody is uh, filling the details and submit it, and you have created a flow that if you somebody submit the form, it will automatically move to this mailbox. Okay, so it will automatically move to the member of the shared mailbox. So I have added, just I'm adding the shared mailbox. Okay, now it's added, and now it's showing that add a member of the shared mailbox. So for example, if I'm putting my mail id in this shared mailbox. Okay, okay, so I have just click on it, add it. So once I have added, now I have the permission of the shared mailbox. Okay, so it will take 24 to 48 hours to reflect the shared mailbox in my mailbox. Okay, in my outlook, it will take some time. But if immediately you want to check the shared mailbox, what you can do, you can copy the shared mailbox mail id and just click on your profile. In the profile section, the way there is a option is open another mailbox and just paste the mail id and open it. So what they did, they will automatically open the shared mailbox outlook, or you can say the mail separately. So you can see that everything is similar like your mailbox. Okay, but so it's a shared mailbox. So what you can do, you can use it for sending a mail. So I'm just putting the two, okay, to putting my mail id so I can give you that how it looks like. Okay, so I'm just putting test and test and just send. Okay, once I send it, okay, and resend, it will take some time to fully you don't have permission to send it. Okay, so I need to check my permission. If okay, it give you the read and manage. So I just check the send on the behalf of the permission. Okay, and just putting my mail ID. But it takes 24 hours to fully configure it. Okay, so hope it will not work. I know it's not working for like this. Yeah, it will take some time to reflect it. So once it reflect, once it's reflect, you can send a mail to anyone. Okay, so if somebody is mail on the in this mailbox, the shared mailbox, it will automatically reside in the inbox section. So this similar mail box, you will get it over here if in the below section. So it will give you the folder of the shared mailbox. Okay, so you can manage it from there directly. Okay, so I will check if it is working for me or not. Sent. No, still don't have permission. So recently it is not reflected. It will take some time, 24 hours to reflect it. Okay. So okay. So in the shared mailbox, so you have aware about that why we use the shared mailbox and what is the use of the shared mailbox. And the next option is the role. So role, we have two type of role: assessment and administrative unit. So if I'm just clicking on the role assessment section, the role assessment section, you can see the list of role available in the M365 admin portal. You can assign the role based on their requirement. If you want, I was just checking the administrative unit. So you can check the administrator unit if you want to create. Okay, so but for example, one more thing that you can use it, the role assessment having, like if or you can provide these roles from directly from the user sections. But if somebody wants that, okay, I'm not using, I want to check the description, what is the use of this if I'm putting the user in this particular role. So what they did, they give you the full access of enterprise application registration and proxy setting. If I'm checking the global admin, what is the what global administrator do can do. Okay, the global administrator have the full permission of the tenant. So if you want to assign it, you just click on it and assign. Also you can get the list of the uh, assigned global admin user. So these things that you can easily manage it. If you want to remove someone from there, okay, just putting the just check on it and remove it. Yeah, so you can easily manage it from there. So give you the advice that you don't need to uh, put the global administrator in your tenant more than two users. Okay, so if you want to share the global admin credential with someone, so it carefully you have to put mfa on it, so your account will be safe and secure. If somebody is breached your account, they will not be able to log in it without the authentication.